Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you Android secret useful tricks. The first one is to make your phone guest mode. If you make your phone guest mode and if you give your phone to anyone, they won't find your account logged in, so they need to log in again with their account. So to unlock guest mode, just go to phone settings and in the search settings in the top search guest mode. In some phones, guest mode is second space, so click on second space and just click on turn on second space and it will turn on. Now the second useful trick is the Google keyboard. So just go to any keyboard you want. Now after going to your Google keyboard, just press on this button here and click on this icon. Now you can just use your Google keyboard like this. If you use your phone with left hand, you can use this side of your keyboard, and if you use your phone right hand, you can use this side of your keyboard. You can also click on this icon here and make your keyboard flow where you want, like this. So guys, these are the useful tricks of Android. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.